All right, guys, this is take 3 on our Wilson lesson. I was trying to get my spotlight tool to work so you knew exactly what letters we were going to focus on today. So let's start with our vowels. A, apple, a. E, ed, e. I, itch, I. O, octopus, a. U, up, a. Now let's head on over to our digraphs. W-H, whistle, w. C-H, chin, ch. S-H, ship, sh. T-H, th, thumb. C-K, sock, k. All right, and today we're going to do our welded sounds. A-N-G, fang, ang. A-N-K, bank, ank. I-N-K, pink, ink. I-N-G, ring, ing. O-N-G, song, ong. O-N-K, honk, onk. U-N-K, junk, unk. U-N-G, lung, ung. Sorry if my little screen was in the way. All right, let me get rid of this tool. Did not want to do that. Sorry about that, friends. Slight difficulty. All right, so now we're going to move on to kind of review over the different syllable types. So we know that there's closed syllables to where both the one vowel is surrounded by both consonants, such in the word cat. It starts with a consonant, has an A, short A in the middle, a, and then a T, t at the end. We know it's a closed syllable because the A is surrounded, which is the vowel, is surrounded by the consonant. We then have open syllable words, which I don't think we talked about much. And that means that the vowel is left open in the word. It is not surrounded by a closed syllable. It's not surrounded by two consonants. It's just surrounded, really just given, there's just one consonant. Such in the word me. E. Do you notice how E is the long vowel sound? That's what happens in open syllable words. They get the long vowel sound in open syllable words. All right, so let's go back to closed syllable. We are learning about our exception to the closed rule of why the vowel in these specific closed syllables gets the long vowel sound, such as isled, or eind, or ost, old, or olt. So we are going to build some words today, and you will be looking for these specific welded sounds that are the exception to the closed syllable rule because they give the vowel in the word a long vowel sound. We will come back to that and that. Sometimes things just don't want to go as smoothly as you'd like. here I am. All right, I'm going to go to the screen. We are going to build some words today, and some of the words we are going to build are going to include these exception to the closed syllable welded sounds. So we're going to first start with something simple. Old, bold. Well, I'm going to get my B, and I'm going to get my old, old. And if you need to know, if you can't remember, we do mark up our words, don't we? See, with this being old, the O is going to have the O, which is the long vowel sound, which is a line over the O. And then you would box this welded sound, okay? And something new that you have not seen is this is a closed syllable word, so we're going to underline it and put a C. This is the markup for a closed syllable word. Old, bold. All right, we have time for a few more. I only want to keep this to being about 10 minutes. Okay, we're going to spell 2 more words. And now we're going to use a digraph and the exception to the closed syllable rule welded sound. The word is child. 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 What would those 2 be in that word? Ild. It would be ILD at the end, and when we hear at the beginning, it would be child, right? So, how do we mark this word up? Well, ch is a digraph, and for digraphs, we underline the digraph. Then we box the welded sound. But we now need to go through and decide I. Is it a long or is it a short I? And it is a long I. Okay? The word is child. All right, good job. Let's see what else we can build. Let me put these things back. Now we're going to spell post. Ost. Ost. It would be P for P and ost. Post. What we would do is we would mark up this word by boxing the welded sound, giving the O the long vowel sound, so we would put a line over it, and that would be it for the, oh, I did forget last time, we're supposed to underline and add a C, because this is a closed syllable word. All right, friends, that is our 3 words that we are going to spell today that involve the closed syllable. Exception to the closed syllable. All right, so now we're going to go back and I want us to read this word list. 15 words. Let's read it together, and if you need to tap it out, feel free to do so. Grump, grump. Unk, clunk. Stamps, stamps. Blush, blush. Squall, squall. Whisk, whisk. Child, child. Ost, most. Trunks, trunks. Blinds, blinds. Skunks, skunks. Brunches, brunches. Squints, squints. Swings, swings. Twists. As you notice, a lot of these words have some welded sounds to them. They have many blends in the front and the back of the word, and they also consist of digraphs. All right, boys and girls, I wanted to keep it at 10, but it's at 11 minutes, and that is all we have time for today. Next time we will pick up with our letter sounds again, and then we'll read our sentences. Everybody have a great day.